In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Clickup to Asana. We're going to move your work from Clickup into Asana using a simple CSV file. This approach keeps your task data structured and gives you control over how everything lands in Asana. Start in Clickup in the view that best represents the tasks you want to move, like a list or table. The export pulls what you see, so make sure the view includes the columns you care about, such as task name, assignee, due date, priority, and status. Apply any filters you need to limit the export to just the relevant tasks. Then choose Export View and select CSV as the format. Save the file to your computer. If your export options let you choose which fields to include, enable the ones you plan to use in Asana. A quick tip, rename your Clickup columns in this view to match what you'll map in Asana later, which can make the next step smoother. Now prepare the CSV, open it in a spreadsheet editor, and confirm there's a single header row with clear column names. At minimum, you'll want task name because Asana requires it. It's also helpful to include description, assignee, due date, start date, priority, status, and tags if you use them. Keep dates in a consistent format like YY, MMDD, and avoid formulas or special formatting that can break during import. If you're using tags or multiple values, separate them with commas in a single cell. Ensure there are no completely blank rows at the top and that your file remains saved as .csv, not a spreadsheet format. If you spot duplicate headers or extra spaces in column names, clean those up now to make mapping easier. Head over to your Asana project where you want the task to land and open the CSV importer. Upload the CSV you just prepared. You'll see a mapping screen where you match each CSV column to an Asana field. Map task name to name, description to description, and align due date, start date, assignee, priority, status, and tags to their corresponding fields. If you have columns that don't match an existing field, you can create custom fields during this step so the data isn't lost. Make sure every row has a task name and that date columns map to date fields. When everything looks correct, start the import and let Asana create the tasks. Once the import finishes, scan the project to confirm tasks, dates, assignees, and any custom fields look right. If something doesn't map as expected, it's perfectly fine to adjust your CSV and re-import for a clean result. And that's it. You've successfully moved your tasks from Clickup to Asana with control and clarity.